Hi guys, today we'll be doing DIY Braille inspired by Lafayette Reads Together's Hobbit. You're going to need salt, glue, paper, a pencil, something to sprinkle the salt over, and a handy dandy Braille sheet like the one shown. First, you are going to figure out what word you want and put dots to mark where you're going to put your glue. Today I decided to spell out hello. You can spell out your name. You can spell out Hobbin, you can spell out a secret message if you want to. All you have to do is put the dots as markers so we know where to put our glue. You can use this sheet with the alphabet to figure out what words you want to spell. After you have marks, go ahead and put a glue dot on each of your marked dots with your pencil. Be sure to put a small dot, you don't need a lot. A little will go a long way. After you place your final dot, go ahead and take your paper with the glue on it and put it inside of a tray. A paper, a baking sheet, just something to catch all the extra salt that you'll pour on it. Go ahead and sprinkle, lightly sprinkle, a little bit of salt. Like I said before, a little goes a long way. Make sure all of your glue is covered as you sprinkle. Once it's completely covered, go ahead and give it a good tap to get any excess salt off. Set to the side and let it dry. Be sure to let it dry before attempting to use it as Braille. Now you have your do-it-yourself Braille. Be sure to tag the library in any of your projects so we can try and figure out what you decided to spell out with your DIY Braille.